Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to the business. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So for today, we've got a reversal finally. The market is doing all right in the pre-markets, especially for this little one. We got ATHA looking all right for a reversal, jumping up toward the 7. We got SOC reversing as well today. I think yesterday we got a huge jump. Today is jumping again, or after hours. Yes, after hours we got a huge jump for this one. Toward the 830. UGRO the same 36%. YCPD tested the huge seller around the 250 and pulled back down. TLRY doing all right, 5% up. CGC the same, 10% up. And yeah, the market is kind of reversing for the blue chip company, especially for AVGO. MU had a great earnings, 14% up, guys. Fantastic, huge jump for this one. We got the other ones. We got APLD, B is jumping, Palantir. Yeah, ABLD doing fantastic today, guys. We might have a 10% jump for today. So I'm watching APLD and B, because both of them pulled back really good yesterday. Five, six, seven. George, the SPY is still overextended. Is pulling back a little bit down, but the best reversal was last month, I think, for the SPY. RX started to reverse as well yesterday and today. Yes, 11%. RX, we discussed it yesterday. Today have to break a major resistance around the $5. Good morning, Clifton. Good morning, man. Lizzie, Karina. Yeah, mean increase short 227. CGC market maker got strike price of 27, a way out. Do you think there's something to that? Hmm, optimistic bag holders. 27 CGC. Wow, $2.27 or 27? $2.27 is near. The 27, brother, is too far. It's too far, to be honest. The main level right now that we might test for today is around the $2.38 and the $3, but the 27 is too far, man. Too far. A lot of things could happen. But yeah, for today we have the 2.38 to break. 9% for CGC, not bad. TLRY, the same 4%. YCBD is the only one is in red, but still looking great in the big picture. Finally, AVGO, we got buyers for it. Today we have to break the 347.41 in order to squeeze to Falahala. Yeah, B had a really good entry yesterday. Pretty juicy entry yesterday. ABLD have a seller a little resistant around the 23, 25. So I'm gonna put alert for APLD guys for today around 25, 22, because if we broke it, is mean we're gonna have a huge green day. Hopefully we don't get any sell-off at the market open. Hopefully that we're not gonna get sell-off for the market. That's what I wish for today. 7%. Okay. CGC, we got cannabis stocks raise ahead of potential Trump order to ease marijuana restriction. Yesterday 4%, today 9%. Oh, brother, I think we might have the ultimate reversal for CGC. It is heavily shorted. Tier Y is in better position here after the reverse split and after the good earnings. CGC, we have two good earnings lately, but it's still in negative 50 million. And here we got 200 million. And the earnings in January, CGC earnings in February. So yeah, Tier Y look way much promising, but CGC have opportunity for a reversal up. So yeah, Tier Y looking interesting to go at least around the $20. If we did that, we might have 48% up. Of course, as long as we hold the current support for today, the 1270. So far, we did 40%. Yeah. CGC is highly risky, but there's a chance for a nice reversal here. 81% in 5 days. crazy reversal from the $1 until the $2, double. It might triple again. So TLRY, guys, everybody betting on TLRY and CGC now. Good morning, Antri. Good morning, my brother. Good afternoon, John. DJT. This is the first time someone asked me about DJT. It's been a while. Good morning. Welcome, everybody. George, I will check the SPY for you little quick. The SPY is fantastic situation here. Yesterday, we have a little pullback. We tested the new high around the 691. This year, if we have another bullish run, guys, we might have the 700 for the SPY because we bounced from the 650 back in November. So not bad, guys. The SPY looking fantastic here. We jumped 6% here in span of 5%, 19 days. Anyway, let's go. We got a few seconds, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. We always go live every day. If this is the first time, we always do update every day on our Discord and Bitch. And the link comes section below, guys, for the update that we every day we do on our Discord and Bitch. In the meantime, let's have a great green day for today. ATHA looking fantastic to go toward the 770. SOC pumping down from the 830. UGRO nothing. TRY still holding the gain. CGC holding tightly to want to go toward the $2.38 breakout zone. RX pulling back a bit. YCBD today is pulling back. Open jumping up. ATHA, nothing much happening for ATHA here. Doing fantastic so far. Need to go toward the 8. If we held the current support, of course, here will be great over the $7. Nicole Vada. DJT. We got a lot of you asking DJT. Wow, DJT finally bounced, guys. I think we got a huge jump in the pre-market or after hours yesterday. We jumped 36%. That's why a lot of you asking about DJT. DJT, guys, need to break the 1424 to go over and at least toward the 15 this time and maybe the 16. But yeah, started to reverse big time. DJT started to reverse, guys. Warning. After found a bottom around the $10. Wow. Yes. Now have to break the 1424. Yes, DJT, guys, started to reverse up. So watch out. We got alert. DJT, I keep it here on the list because it look fantastic for now. Yeah, DJT, I'm gonna keep it on the list. ATHA, guys, is about to break here. TLRY jumping today. CGC jumping as well. Of course, AVGO is going down. APLD, we got a huge jump for APLD, guys. 9%. Finally, B 9%. Palantir Plug 10%. Hallelujah. Plug is jumping 10%. Today it might squeeze up, guys, for Plug if we broke the resistance around the 244. APLD, guys, today might be the day that we might have 20%. Yeah, or 24% would be even better. We need a jump for this one, guys. APLD is pulling back. Today, if we broke the 25.17 for APLD, is means we're gonna squeeze and the reversal will start. The same for B. Plug, guys, it is strong. It did 7% quickly, 12% now. It's getting near the $2.44. Is about to test a major resistance around the 245. AVGO, we got another pullback down. Is a bit weak. MU is stronger. This one is flashing down. The same for DRI. KMX is started to reverse. Okay, DJT, guys, I think we got a big seller around the 1359 that we should break. We have to break this seller, guys, in order to go up this time. So far, so good for DJT, guys. It's holding the support. Thank you for the reminder, guys. It looked really good, DJT. IRBT, everybody said IRBT is shrine. I will check IRBT. Yeah, 15% up. It's trying again, but is a bit far, man. So I'm gonna put the resistance now around the 91. Yeah, we got a huge resistance around the 91, guys. It is too risky, IRBT, but it's trying. IRBT, like you said, is trying again because yesterday we got a big buyer, got shorted around the $1. Now trying again to squeeze toward at least the 150 or 145. Beyond Meat is pulling back up, guys. Open. I think today should be green day, guys, for the market. I think this should be the day for a huge green. As you can see here, plug is testing the resistance around the 246. B is getting strong. ABLD is still shrine. As we said, guys, ABLD need to break the 25.17 for today in order to have a squeeze. Now 7%, we need another 7%, so 14% in order to squeeze up and start this reversal journey. AVGO trying as well to reverse here. I'm gonna put alert for it as well here around the 348.26. DJT still trying to break. Plug power, yes. IRBT not yet. I took it from the list because didn't reverse yet, man. It need to break the 91 now. Yes, in order to go toward the squeeze zone around the $1.04. Just testing the resistance, brother. TLRY is squeezing, guys. CGC is squeezing as well. TLRY is the one. Everybody watching TLRY today for a huge squeeze. 14%. Are you kidding me? Guys, there's something here. I think there's one whale pushing the market down by one button. Look at this. All the stocks pulling back at the same time, man. This is madness. It's just one guy or one button. It's not just one stock go down, man. All of them go down at the same time. All of them. This is crazy. This is showing me manipulation for the market, or just one guy buying by bulk and selling by bulk. Yes, sir. There's something going on behind the scene. SOC, not my cup of tea. UGRO looking interesting. TLRY squeezing, guys. CGC. You see, those stocks are against the current CGC and TLRY because they're jumping and the other stock is going down. You see, we have a little pullback for APLDB at the same time. Plug, but CGC and TLRY did the opposite, man, and they just squeezing like there is no tomorrow. Yeah, 10% already here. Adjusting the resistance now around the 1580. A huge level for TLRY right now. The same for CGC. ATHA, guys, broke the resistance. ATHA, we got a new support now for it over the 760. DJT reversing. UGRO try to break out. TLRY, guys, it is the one to watch for today. Humongous jump. Madness. Everybody watching TLRY today. Everybody watching TLRY for a huge squeeze. Yes, sir. TLRY. TLRY. Yeah, 1580, guys. I think we're gonna have a little pullback now for TLRY to correct after hitting this level of resistance 1580. CGC 22%. Are you kidding me, man? 20% and 22%. This is madness. Yes, everybody talking about CGC, so everybody buying right now before the sign. Buy before the news. They might sell the news later on, guys. Everybody might sell later on, but for now, everything's good. DJT the same, 32% now. We got a really good reversal here, 6%. Yeah. CGC, guys, testing the resistance right now, $2.38. Today is a huge day, guys. Today is a crazy day. We got $1.98. $1.98 should be a current support now. Resistance is the $2.38. APLD pulling back. You see, man, we got yeah, still weakness for the market. The main squeezer for today is CGC and TLRY. All the volume is going there. All the action is going there, man. All the action is going there. Huge wave. Beyond Meat is testing the white line. Beyond Meat, maybe I will lower the resistance now around the 113. Yeah, 113 is the current resistance. And then 130 and 160. So Beyond Meat, guys, it started to reverse. Finally, we have a big buyer around the $1.11. DJT is getting near a major resistance, guys, the 1423. TLRY, we got a pullback just below our resistance. And CGC testing the resistance, the $2.38. And now we might have our little pullback. Watch out, everybody. A little correction might happen. A little bit of correction doesn't hurt anybody. ATHA looking all right. DJT 33%. Guys, if you don't know, DJT was the top gainer few years ago, and now Trump Media to merge with the TAE Tech in $6 billion deal. This is 1 hour ago. That's why we got a huge jump for DJT, guys. Huge jump for DJT because of this news. We might have another jump for DJT. It was sleeping. The sleeping giant started to move. Yes, I think we're gonna have some action today for DJT. But it is heavily shorted, guys. Imagine this one, it was back on around the 50 just last year in November, and even this year it was around the 40, then it went back around the $10. So it might be great to watch, guys, this one, because it is interesting. Adding some support here and there. Around the 1425, we might have a little pullback here because there's a huge seller around the 1430. The good reversal happened just at the market open. We have a bit of consolidation here and 10% jump. TLRY pulling back, CGC pulling back, but it's going up again. Beyond Meat, guys. Beyond Meat is moving. Beyond Meat is officially moving for today. Beyond Meat is officially moving, guys. Testing a huge resistance for Beyond Meat. Huge resistance around the 114. Keep your eyes closed. Anyway, interesting. So Mike Tyson actually have influence to change the restriction on marijuana. This is really interesting. Okay, let's see. CGC pulling back a bit, TLRY the same, pulling back. UGRO testing the resistant. DJT the same, testing the resistant. Let's see the top gainers for today. We got PAVS have reverse split. I don't like the chart. DJT fuel cell energy is jumping up. MU is pulling back after hitting the resistance. Plug still just below the resistance. Plug is relentless. An AVGO just mediocre. ABLE trying to go up, but no success. Where's the bulls, man? Where's the bulls? We need some bulls for ABLD to go up. Yeah, this is not enough. The short have to cover. We need to break the 25, otherwise we're gonna have a flush again. Yeah, we need fight, more fights. CGC still strong, tier Y the same. DJT just a test for the breakout, but no success yet for a breakout. Okay, let us discuss DJT. Finally, we got 33% jump before the market opened because of acquisition and merger with other companies. So with this is what triggered DJT to reverse from the $10. As everybody knows, DJT was around $50 and $40 this year. So we might have a huge reversal for this year. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for education purposes only. So guys, DJT, we got some warning. The price is going up really good. Let me just show you what's happened. 35%, volume 32%, and you see what's happened here. We jumped at least 40% today in the pre-market and the news of Trump Media to merge with the TAE Tech in 6 billion deal. Huge deal, guys. And as everybody knows, that DJT was before on the $40. Let me just show you here. It was on the $54 back in September 2024. We jumped from the 11 until 50. We did 400%. Everybody knows that. And then we reversed again. We did 100% back here in April this year, and now is 30%, so still have a chance to do at least another 100% and go toward the 20 and maybe multiply and double before the end of this year. So how we could play this one, the stock that we already traded it before, and our Discord and Patreon and YouTube. If you're new here, we always do update for those stocks before the jump. So for DJT, guys, we already discussed it today. Early at the market open and before the market open, we discussed this reversal here. We have a nice bounce and we suggest for a short seller around the 1430. Now we tested this level of resistance. So the game plan is we need to break this orange line around the 1430 to go toward the 15, 16, and 18 or almost the $20. If we have a pullback, I will watch for the pullback around the 1279. As you see here, we got a nice wedge here, big buyer on the news. The buyer still holding, the big whale still holding, adding here around the 12, adding again around the 1240, adding again here around 1277. So if they still adding, we need to hold this current bottom. Where exactly to confirm the squeeze is just here, guys, between the 1280 and the 1215. If we held here, we expect a huge jump for DJT on the bullish side toward the 15 and 16 and beyond. This is will be a crazy because we need the jump to happen today, guys. Because after this news, the squeeze or the short seller have to cover today or tomorrow before the end of this week to confirm that we have a genuine buying pressure and the squeeze will start, because 30% is not enough for DJT because this is the bottom around the $10. If we want to squeeze, we have to go toward at least nearly around the $20. Let me know, guys, in the comment section below if you think DJT will squeeze again before the end of this year. Yes, welcome to the family, everybody. Welcome to the Hunter family. The other one, let us discuss Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat tested the major resistance and breakout zone for today at the market open. Before we go further, remember, guys, our content here for education purposes. Look at this, guys. We got an interesting Let me just check here. Yes, Beyond Meat finally tested a new resistance for today. We almost break out and make the short cover, but the price pulled back a little bit. So we have to discuss the trigger where the short have to cover. Before we go further, remember our content here for education purposes only. So Beyond Meat 4%, and guess what? We got a test around the 114 or around the white line. As we discussed from the last video, the white line is really important because we tested once, second, third, and this is the fourth time. And we're still holding the current support over the 95, and we're still inside this channel, so nothing changed. The only thing that changed is the volume. You see this huge green candle? This is the volume. We have big buyer today because the market is a bit volatile today, and we might use this volatility and confident for Beyond Meat to make the short cover. First cover up for the short seller is around the 114, a new level of resistance. If we broke it for today, before the end of the day, would be huge for Beyond Meat to at least go around the 130. So this is would be interesting to watch and expect another jump of 14%, because right now 4%, another 14% will give us almost 20% for today, will be great. And after that, we might do 35%. This is will be the official squeeze to go toward the 160 before the end of this year. DFLI, we got IRBT testing the resistant again. Yeah, I'm drinking the holy water, of course. I'm not forgetting the holy water to bless the market. Victor, crypto is moving again. Martin Abolo, YCBD. It was on my list, but I took it. YCPD. We got DFLI. Let's see. Let's see this one. DFLI reverse split is not good, man. YCBD the same is not good because it's still below the 250. SOC might be great because it's testing a breakout zone now. IRBT testing the breakout zone, guys, the 91, but we didn't break. Yeah, those are the main stocks for today. ATHA, take it from the list because it got shorted early around the 836, but it's still 100 and something percent. 37% DJT broke out. We got this one. TLRY is pushing back down after hitting the profit taken. CGC pulling back. Beyond Meat the same. IRBT, I think we have a little fake out, but now we got support to hold over the 80 cent. If we held, will be great. Okay, guys, DJT, the main seller is now around the 1470. Main seller around the 1470. Main buyer 1277. And might be around the 1363. Let us check the main gainers for today. Again, PAVS, no good. ATHA, pullback. SOC, pullback. DJT is about to squeeze around the 1470. Fuel cell energy, nope. CJC pulling back. So we got a pullback market now. Yes, this is it now. The only one that look interesting now is CGC and DJT. DJT, guys, 1470 might be the level that we might squeeze from. DJT have huge news about 6 billion merger. You got a request from our elite member, YCBD, YCBD. Already checked it, man. YCBD is got shorted around the 253. So YCBD have to break the 253 to squeeze. Nothing changed. So I'm gonna update the level for it for you. YCBD. We got two level of profit taken here and there. And current resistance now it is still around the 253 resistance plus profit taken here. 253. We got the ultimate level is around the $4.15. Yeah, DJT is pulling back a little bit. CGC the same. TLRY, we got a little bit of reversal here from the 1388. IRBT got shorted. UGRO the same. Let us see the stock that's been halted for today. GANX, AFJK. GNX halted twice. GANX halted twice, and AFJK and LHAI. Let us check those one and check the main gainers. Booyah. Okay, we got GNX got halted down and up. Not good. Not good. Let's see here. ATHA, DJT, Fuel Cell Energy, PYXS. Let's see the top losers. PYXS, MGRT, ASNS, well, VMAR, PCSA. Not good. Not good. Maybe not good. Bad. Yes, this is it for now, guys. We're gonna do a little later update for TLRY and CGC and maybe DJT. The rest of the market, I don't like that much, but the market is kind of pulling back now. We're gonna do the update on our Discord and Patreon. Make sure to tune in on our Discord and Patreon to update you about those stocks. For Bitcoin, let's see the pull trap. Bitcoin, yeah, up and down. Is still not bullish yet. Ethereum, the same. Yeah, nothing much happening. Nothing much happening. Victor, do you know exactly when Trump will sign the order, or is not confirmed when? Well, yeah, would be really crazy. day if he sign it. It would be crazy. But I expect a lot of trader will sell the news even if he signed the uh, like the regulation or the rule for easing up on the cannabis. We might have a sell-off because a lot of people sell the news. Aha, 18 o'clock, around 6 in 2 hours. But yeah, I expect maybe we might have a spike, then a flush. This is crazy. So yeah, today is a bit volatile day, man. And tomorrow, of course. So I think it would be a bit risky to trade right now because even if we have a good sentiment, the market might give us pull trap, a huge spike, haltation, then a flush. It happened for DJT before, guys. So today is too risky to trade. Too risky. We're gonna have a huge wave. So if you're not a surfer, never surf the wave in the storm. Otherwise, you're gonna be inside the washing machine. Yeah, Victor, if he say nothing, boom, we're gonna have a flush. Exactly. But the flush might happen just for cannabis stock. This is the only affected stock because they are the one who directed the news directed to them. George, Japan and big correction coming. Be yeah, coming. Be careful. So yeah, today it could be a huge risky day, man. That's why we have a little bit of cautious from the market. You see, yeah, AVGO turning red. You see, we have a pullback, guys, to the market. Yeah, we have a pullback. It's too risky day, man. Plug the same. We have a fake out, breakout. So today it is too risky day, man, for the market. You see, we have a huge pullback now. Risky day, man. Risky day for today. So I don't recommend trading. Anyway, this is it for now, guys. Tune in for tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open, because we're gonna discuss the market in depth as usual, 30 minutes before the market open. And as we said, today it is too risky day. Try to not trade or stay away from the market a bit because we expect a huge volatility. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and see you all by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. Crypto can tank, powder dry, the risky girls in the bar. Oh man. Yes, be careful, guys. We're gonna have a huge day today. Huge risky day. Victor, great question. Victor asked if we could make our live streaming longer. Um, the simple answer is we already did that before, but recently we couldn't because we still do other update and search for other good play. That's why I have to finish early to search for other good play and do alert for our hunter on Discord and Patreon. So that's why I have to finish early our live streaming in order to seize some opportunity and do update for the charts and reply on questions on the Discord and Patreon. That's why I have to finish early here in the live streaming, brother. You can join us as long as you have the time, brother. And of course, if you want to seize the opportunity to trade with us. In the meantime, guys, be careful from today. Today will be volatile. We'll see you tomorrow, of course, early on, 30 minutes before the market open to discuss the market in depth. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And of course, stay safe, let the price come to you, and never run after the price.